Children, welcome to Hindi class. Today we will continue the lesson Mahatva Sulekh ka. Before that, we will recall the last class what we did the lesson. Mahatva Sulekh ka meaning importance of good handwriting. This lesson is the conversation between two friends Jaya and Chitra about good handwriting. Jaya liked writing and Chitra liked reading. Once Jaya called her friend Chitra to practice handwriting. Chitra asked her friend what is the meaning of good handwriting. Jaya answered, when we write the words slowly and beautifully, we call it as good handwriting. Chitra said to her friend that I won't like writing, and also she asked what is the advantage of having good handwriting. Jaya answered, there is more advantage of having good handwriting, and she gave one example that if the two students write the same answer for the question, the student who is having good handwriting will get more marks. Chitra said to her friend, okay, I will write afterwards. Jaya explained to her friend that from childhood, good handwriting should be practiced. Who writes good handwriting from childhood, when they grow up, they will write fast and their handwriting will not be bad. We had stopped until here, children. Now we will continue the lesson. सुलेख के महत्व के बारे में गांधी जी ने लिखा है. Jaya took example of Mahatma Gandhi's story. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi ji had emphasized about good handwriting in his autobiography, My Experiment with Truth. See what Gandhi ji had emphasized. पढ़ाई में सुलेख की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. यह बात मेरे मन में न जाने कहाँ से आ गई थी. गांधी जी thought that good handwriting is not a part of education, and he said, I don't know where I got this idea. यह बात मेरे मन में न जाने कहाँ से आ गई. किस बात? पढ़ाई में सुलेख की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. लेकिन जब मैंने दक्षिण अफ्रीका के वकीलों और पढ़े लिखे नवयुवकों के मोती जैसे अक्षर देखे तो बहुत शर्मिंदा हुआ. गांधी जी also tells, see, when Gandhi ji visited South Africa, there he saw pearl-like handwriting, means beautiful handwriting of lawyers and young people. And then Gandhi ji felt ashamed. उसके बाद मैंने अपनी लिखावट सुधारने की बहुत कोशिश की. After that, Gandhi ji tried to improve his handwriting. But see, लेकिन पक्के घड़े पर कहाँ मिट्टी चढ़ते हैं. Means the mud pot has already prepared, and then we can't alter the pot. Again we can't alter the pot. Okay, the pot has already prepared again, we can't alter the pot. अच्छी लिखावट शिक्षा का एक आवश्यक अंग है. Gandhi ji conclude that good handwriting is a part of education. See children, good handwriting, it is also a part of education. Keep it in mind. चित्रा ने कहा, समझ गई, पर मैं अपनी लिखावट अच्छी कैसे बनाऊं? चित्रा said, I understood, but how can I improve my handwriting? जया ने कहा, सुलेख के कुछ नियम है, अनुकरण कर तुम अपनी लिखावट अच्छी कर सकती हो. Jaya said, there are some rules. नियम means rules. अनुकरण कर अपनी लिखावट अच्छी कर सकती. If you follow the rules, you can improve your handwriting. लिखते समय ध्यान रखना. See children, some rules of having good handwriting. एक शब्द समाप्त होने पर तथा दूसरा शब्द लिखने से पहले कुछ स्थान छोड़ना. There should be gap between word by word. प्रत्येक पंक्ति निश्चित स्थान से शुरू करना. Every paragraph should be written in certain places. पंक्तियों के मध्य में कभी नहीं लिखना. The middle of the paragraphs we should not write anything. पंक्तियों के मध्य में कभी नहीं लिखना. We should not write anything in the middle of the paragraph. हिंदी के अक्षर रेखा के नीचे लिखना. Hindi words should be written below the line. अक्षर के ऊपर शिरोरेखा सीधी और स्पष्ट लगाना. The line should be straight and clear above the letter. मात्रा ये स्पष्ट रूप से दिखाई देनी चाहिए. मात्रा should be clear. वाह, यह तो बहुत सरल है. चलो अब सुलेख का अभ्यास करते हैं. चित्रा ने कहा. चित्रा said, oh, it's very easy. Come. Now we will practice good handwriting. So children, you should also practice good handwriting. Okay. Thank you.